It's draw time! Today we'll draw some yummy and colourful treats from nature. They're round, sweet, juicy, and so much fun to eat. I'm so excited. Hi friends, welcome to Draw Time. We're going to draw some yummy and colourful fruits. A big juicy watermelon, a sweet orange, a shiny apple, and a bunch of grapes. Doesn't that sound so tasty and fun? Well, our watermelon have a happy face. Wow, do you like it, guys? Look, it's dancing. So cute. Do you like eating watermelon? Did you know that there are more than 1,000 different kinds of watermelon? Nature is amazing. Next, let's draw an orange. Are you eating an orange too, my friends? I'm eating one right now because it's so yummy and super healthy. Let's draw our orange leaf. Wow, it's beautiful. Next is face. I think our orange have adorable face like the watermelon. And ta-da! Whoa, so cool! Our orange looks so happy. Do you like eating oranges plain? Or do you love drinking orange juice more? Wow, we have a two-fruit already. They're adorable. Now let's draw grapes. They're like a bunch of little friends holding hands. Ha-ha, so cute. Do you like your grapes green, purple, or maybe rainbow-colored? Whoa! Look, it's a colourful rainbow grape. I love it.
Wow!
Did you know grapes are about 80% water? So they're like tiny, juicy water balloons. And lastly, let's draw an apple. I wonder if our apple will be shiny and smiling just for us. What colour do you like better? Red apples, green apples, or purple polka dot apples? Ha 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 ha! Let's add face to our sweet apple. Whoa! Apple is so bright red. Amazing! Apples are grown in so many places that they're one of the most popular fruits in the world. Our 4 fruits is complete. Guess what next?
Wow! Wow!
It's colour time, my favourite part. Ha ha! Colour red for our watermelon. Do you like your watermelon in big slices or tiny little cubes? Did you know watermelons are about 92% water? It's like eating fruit and drinking water at the same time. That's super healthy. Yellow.
Wow!
Are you enjoy watching our fruits drawing today, guys? Ha ha ha! Green. How many friends do you think could share one giant watermelon? Our watermelon is done. Do you like, guys? He looks so happy. Next is orange. Do you like eating oranges plain? Or do you love drinking orange juice more? Did you know that one orange gives you a lot of vitamin C, which helps you stay strong and healthy?
Wow! Wow! Wow!
If our orange could talk, what do you think it would say? Squeeze me or tickle me. Ha ha ha. Brown.
Wow!
Color green for the leaf. Did you know in some places people call small oranges mandarins or tangerines? Our orange is done. Hope you like it, my friends. Purple for our grapes.
Wow! Wow! Wow!
If a grape could sing, what song do you think it would sing? Did you know that there are more than 8,000 kinds of grapes? That's a lot of grape families.
Wow! Wow!
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, friends. Brown. Color green.
Wow! Wow!
Grapes can be red, green, purple, blue, and even black. Almost like a crayon box. Our third fruit grapes is done. So beautiful. Wow. Color red for the apple. Do you like apples more as juice, pie, or just crunchy bites?
Wow!
There are over 7,500 different kinds of apples. That's more than the number of crayons in your crayon box.
Wow!
If your apple had legs, where would it run? To school, the playground, or outer space? Color brown. Green.
Wow! Wow!
Did you know apple trees can live for more than 100 years? And ta-da! All done. Did you have fun? I sure did. Our fruits look ready for a big silly fruit party. Don't forget to like and subscribe. For more fun drawings, my friends. Thank you very much.